Welcome to Charging Cycles Presents Close Encounters of the Bird Kind. Just a couple shots of sneaking up on birds with the electric motorcycle. Beautiful shot here, went right across my face. So let's see that one in slow motion.
I don't need oil or gas to ride. Lithium ion, nickel hide.
And out here in the country I have spotted a couple paragliders over a farm. You might think it's some grit on my lens, or depending on your video rendering, some dirt on your monitor, but at high resolution you can certainly see two paragliders. Thanks for watching Close Encounters of the Bird Kind from Charging Cycles. Subscribe and like and share.